Welcome to part 2 of installing Windows 98 on Microsoft Windows Virtual PC 2007. Recently, in the last video, we just left off after copying all the system files. Now we're on the user information. In the name, type in your name. So in this case, I'm going to type in Guinea Pig Pat because that's my username. Guinea Pig Pat. Next, I accept the terms of license agreement. And now I'm going to enter the product key. So I'm going to pause so no one steals it, okay? Okay, so I just entered my product key and I hit next. Now when it says start wizard, hit finish. Now it says Windows is now initializing its driver database. So it's setting up hardware. So you might not want to wait for this long, so I'm going to pause it right now. Now that we see after it was installing the stuff, now it says now let's just click restart now or else it'll restart on its own. And now we see it's running Windows 98. Though we can't use the operating system yet because we're still in the setup. And it says setting up hardware. Now over here you can edit the date and time, but it's okay. No, it's the first. And time zone, you can change it. So I'm gonna click OK, close. Now it's setting up some files and folders. Well, right now my computer's sort of lagging, so I'm going to pause it right here and wait for it to finish updating the system settings. Now when it finished, it says restarting now in 15 seconds, so let's just press restart now so it'll speed up. And now it says Microsoft Windows 98. And it's loading. And this we'll probably only have to reset one more time just to finalize everything and pull it back together. If you get this error for some reason, just keep hitting OK. And when it says copying files, just hit cancel. And over here, it's gonna keep saying new hardware found. So let me pause that out so it will speed up this video. When you get to add new hardware wizard, sometime this may happen to you, and it says PCI Fast Ethernet DEC 21140 based adapter. You might not get it, but most likely you will. So just hit next, and just hit recommended. Search for the best drivers for your device, and over here, hit next. And choose next. And then you'll get the error. Just click cancel and then finish. And then it says you have to restart your computer now, so just hit yes. And now the computer's restarting. And now we see it says, and sometimes you might get error that you don't have these files, but just keep hitting any key to get through them. And when it says dfs.vxd or when you keep hitting the key but and it doesn't go, that means it's the last one. It's loading up Windows. Over here, hit OK if you get it, and type in your password. But I'm not gonna have a password. And then it finds some new hardware, mostly Sound Blaster. And once again, when you get this, click cancel and hit OK. And it'll keep finding some new hardware. And whenever you get this little error, just keep hitting OK and then cancel. And now it's updating the system settings. And now it's personalizing the settings. This will probably be the last time wait, I made a little mistake before. Like, I was trying to say something about resetting, but we don't have to reset anymore. And there you have it. You have Microsoft Windows 98. To close, you can close that. Here, to have a little tour of this, you can go to Start. If you don't know what to do, you can type in go to help on the start bar, and you can type in a whole bunch of stuff introducing Windows 98 to troubleshooting, and there's lots of help topics, and there's the My Computer setting, which allows you to manage stuff on your PC, and connecting to the internet may be a little hard, and but it's really cool to have a 10-year-old PC. So that's all. Thank you for watching. This was installing Windows 98 on Microsoft Windows Virtual PC 2007. If you didn't see our last video, it's installing Windows 98 on Microsoft Windows Virtual PC 2007 Part 1. This is Part 2. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching. This is brought to you by Guinea Pig